Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this kind of design in CorelDraw. So let's get started. First, set your page size to 160 by 160. Then double click on the rectangle tool. This will create a rectangle the size of your page. Now, fill it with any nice color and remove the outline. Next, select the text tool and type fast. Change the font, increase the size, and adjust it on your page. Now right-click and choose Convert to Curves. Use the Shape tool to slightly adjust the text shape to make it look stylish. Then change the text color. Now right-click and import a picture. Rotate it 136% and adjust it where it fits best. After that, use Quick Trace Bitmap to trace the image. Next, select the Freehand tool and draw a line above or beside the text, wherever it looks good. Select everything together and rotate it a little for a better look. Then, make the line thicker and delete the car bitmap. Now select the line and the text and apply back minus front. Do the same for the upper line and text, using back minus front again. Press Ctrl K to break the text apart. Select the middle part and use weld. Then weld the bottom and top parts as well. Move the middle text a little to the back and change its color. Hold Shift, select both text layers, and weld them together. Go to the Effects menu, click Noise, Add Noise, and adjust level and density as you like. Do the same for the middle text to match the texture. Now use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle and fill it with black. Use the transparency tool to make it slightly transparent and place it behind the car. Then use the text tool to add your caption or title. Select the background color and apply a noise effect to give it a nice textured feel. Next, double-click on the rectangle tool again. It will create a page-sized rectangle. Give it a color, then group your text. Right-click Power Clip Inside, and place it inside the rectangle. Finally, remove the outline and fill if needed. And there you go, your professional and stylish design is ready. For more cool and creative tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.